Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the world of nature's deadliest creatures. Today, we're exploring the realm of dangerous insects that will send shivers down your spine. From venomous predators to disease-carrying pests, these creatures command respect and fear. The first animal is the monarch caterpillar. The monarch caterpillar is easily recognized due to its beautiful banded sequence of black, yellow, and white stripes. The most distinctive feature of the monarch caterpillars is that they are keen on eating milkweed leaves only. The toxins found in milkweed, called cardinalides, the butterfly larva, absorbs some in its tissues. These chemicals protect the caterpillar from predators that would otherwise consume it. Whilst monarch butterflies do not pose any harm to human beings, the presence of toxins in the caterpillar or similar species could cause skin irritation if they were to touch the face or eyes after handling them with bare hands. It is necessary to know this about caterpillars before managing them. The next animal is the cow killer. The cow killer that often refers to the eastern velvet ant lives in all regions of North America, i.e., fields, forests, and grasses. These bugs are highly prevalent throughout the eastern U.S. Their females possess an intense sting, which is where their common name derives from. It is worth not taking into account that the sting is not very hazardous to a human being, but it is very painful that people have compared it to hot oil spilling on your hand and ranks 3 out of 4 on the Schmidt Sting Pain Index. The next animal is the blister beetle. The blister beetle, belonging to a large family of beetles, are widespread in temperate and tropical regions. The blister beetle's main defensive weapon is cantharidin, a toxic and irritant substance that acts as effective protection against predators. Cantharidin is an irritating substance that produces blistering of the skin and mucous membranes when contact with them takes place. Disease can result from taking cantharidin either in animals or people, from exhibiting signs such as gastrointestinal tract irritation, damage to the kidneys, and even death in the very severe cases, and all this could happen in the 4 hours after the release of the toxin. The next animal is the black widow spider. The black widow spider is a venomous creature located in both North and South America. Black widow spiders usually live in fairly dark and secluded regions such as wood piles and inside rock crevices where they will inject their prey with a powerful neurotoxic venom. The bite can cause symptoms like muscle cramps, stomach pain, sweating, nausea, and in the most severe cases even breathing difficulties. Number of deaths from black widow spider bites is not frequent since the prompt response of medical treatment is crucial, so escape from the spider is very important to be able to get medical treatment to survive. The next animal is the brown recluse spider. The brown recluse spider is a medium-sized spider found in the United States. They are predominantly found in central and southern parts of the country, especially in Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas. The venom of the brown recluse spider has diverse toxins which can cause necrosis and systemic effects in certain cases. The typical symptoms of a brown recluse spider bite commonly are soreness, redness, and swelling accompanied by a burning feeling at the site of the bite. Under a day, formation of a blister is observable, which in turn can ulcerate and eventually lead to necrosis. In 2019, 790 brown recluse spider bites were found, with 174 having moderate outcomes and 24 major outcomes. The next animal is the Japanese Oriental Wasp. The Japanese Oriental Wasp is a species of wasp indigenous to Eastern Asia. Similar to many other social wasps, Japan's Oriental Wasp builds colonies with a castor, has queens, workers, and drones. Japanese Oriental wasps, as the majority of the wasp species, when in defense of their nest or threatened by an attacker, can sting. Their stings are painful and may cause allergic reactions in some individuals. Their larger size makes their stings worse than those from other insects because their stinger is longer and can deliver more venom. They are also a common hindrance and a possible threat when hornet nests are built in the close proximity to people's houses. This has caused an annual of 30 to 50 deaths in Japan. The next animal is the red imported fire ant. The red imported fire ant is an invasive species originally from South America that has since become established in many regions. These insects are very aggressive and defend their home territories whenever they feel threatened. To get rid of the invaders, they use their stinger that causes a painful sting, and with each sting they inject venom that is highly toxic to the human body, with particular alkaloids. A single ant can sting the skin of several individuals before it runs out of venom. Their venom sometimes causes a severe allergic reaction in certain individuals. This has caused more than 80 deaths to be recorded in the past year. The next animal is the Lonomia obliqua. The Lonomia obliqua is a type of caterpillar found in South America. These caterpillars are mostly observed in forests in the Atlantic moist forest biome especially. The caterpillars of Lonomia obliqua are worldwide known to contain venomous spikes. First, symptoms can be trivial, but might aggravate and even develop into serious conditions. As soon as these spines touch the skin of a human being, severe reactions, including pain, inflammation, and in extreme cases, bleeding disorders and kidney failure. This deadly creature has bagged itself the name assassin caterpillar. The fatality count has been attributed to caterpillars anywhere from 200 to 500 people across regions in South America. The next animal is the kissing bug. The kissing bugs are blood-siphoning insects that are indigenous to the Americas. Their nickname stems from the fact that they are prone to biting people on the mouth as the person sleeps. They are attracted to carbon dioxide and warmth from the host's body, and hence they often feed on both humans and animals when they are asleep. After they are done feeding, they leave excrement next to the bite site, which might contain Trypanosoma cruzi, a parasite causing Chagas disease. Chagas disease contracts people to severe heart and digestive system problems such as heart failure and gastrointestinal issues, as well if the condition is not addressed and treated on time, because it kills about 12,000 people every year. The last animal is the mosquitoes. The mosquitoes are located almost everywhere in the world, and polar regions are the only environment where they can't be found. The females need blood in order to develop their bodies and subsequently produce eggs. Mosquitoes are well known for the transmission of an extensive number of illnesses. A few examples are malaria, dengue fever, West Nile virus, and chikungunya virus, which can be transmitted when they bite people. The types of diseases they spread result in considerable morbidity and mortality internationally. They cause approximately 1 million human deaths annually from the vector-borne diseases. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling expedition through the world of dangerous insects. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating content.